What's going on, boys and girls? Another video, another explore, standard. Guess what? Some of you are a little bit sketched out about doing the abandoned stuff. Technically this is abandoned, but it's public, so you can come and see it yourself. The walk up there is amazing. We're literally at one of the first steps. None of this, forget me. Look at this view. How incredible is this? It's the right sort of time to come here. North Wales, amazing. You can see this Cottages there. Look at these. Here's the urbex wife up there. Look, she's going crazy. We've got the boys.
Look at this. All the little old cottages.
There's my boy.
Look how small he is.
It's amazing, isn't it? I love the fact as well, people have written my names that have come here to get, obviously to
Look how small they would have been.
tiny, innit? Proper little miners' cottages.
And you think this was like a community? Because look like these guys obviously have my tripod and bags.
Fireplace. So literally bedroom, lounge, kitchen all in one. It's like literally walking into Simfagans.
I'm wondering if these could have been sort of hotels where they'd stay for work if they had to do long.
Oh, they would have lived here.
Oh right.
People would have lived here.
I know it's only.
I worked in the mines.
But obviously you can even come here as well, guys.
Roxy, this is cool. And what the plan is with this, gonna have a bit of me, bit of GoPro, bit of those, and a bit of drone footage. So if it does go to drone, like it probably will in a minute, stick with me because we're gonna go to all the different levels and record it as we go. 1927, I'm not sure what that says on it. There's Mr. Lee, the man, the myth, the legend. But there we go. That's these. Let's get this drone up. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of drone footage anyway of the houses. We're still on rolling. We've come up another bit of an incline. Still views are incredible. And look, that's the top up there. I don't know how far we're going to go today because we're running out of time-ish.
Yeah, I'm running out of steam.
Running out of steam. And it's about 5 hours to get home. Do you know what? I don't care. Let's keep rolling. Look at all this. It's all well slate, isn't it?
Ah.
That's probably worth a fortune, all that.
Take some with us then.
Take some with us. We don't take anything, he's just kidding. Just leave footprints. Look at all the buildings up there as well.
Yeah.
So how many of them shafts do you still think you can get into?
No.
Look at that sheep up there as well, I don't know if you can make it. That cheeky little pimp is right to the top. Amazing. Right, let's follow the tracks. Right, we're still rolling. Another level. Just pretty flat, some bigger structure, engine house, building house. I'm not too sure exactly what it would have been. Just lock it up there. I think that's all we are going to get up to today. But I want to walk you around here to the viewpoint. I might get the drone back up as well. But what a day so far. I know we're all watching this refreshed, and when I edit it, I'll be refreshed. But so far I'm over 17,000 steps today, and I still got a long way to go, so loving life. Viewpoint time. to you guys. We're at the viewpoint. Okay, from up here. Windy, that's what it is.
Subscribe. Link down in the description and make sure he does it.
Now, everyone knows Kurt already, but I always drop him a link. Tell him.
I'm mugging him off. Good humour.
Cool, man, really cool. King Arthur. I can see King Arthur's sword. Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Nice and private.
Lovely.
Almost up.
You've got this shape for 365 feet. Wow.
Right. This is the end of the line. This is the end of the line. We did it.
I'll have to do it off the tripod.
Look at that view. How chilled everything seems as well. I love it. Hell to the yeah. I think that's a wrap from us. We had a good time. We enjoyed it. What's your thoughts on it?
Yeah, brilliant.
What's your thoughts on it, over there? We loved it. So there we go. See you next week. That's all I'm going to say. Peace out.